The exercise 14.2 of class 10th, in which we will learn the mode, how to find the mode of the data. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year, in which two columns are given. In first column given age in years, and in the second column number of patients given. We have to find the mean and mode of the given data and do the comparison of the given data. This we will make the table. First column of the table will be the age in years, that is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Now the second column is the number of patients. Number of patients, that is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. We are creating this table because first we will calculate the mean. That number of patients is denoted by frequency Fi. Then we will make the table of class markers. That is the mid limit of age in years, that is denoted by Xi. So mid of class 5 to 15 is 10, then 15 to 25 is 20, similarly 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now from this we will calculate deviation. T1 is equal to Xi minus assumed mean. Here we will take the assumed mean as 30. 30 is the assumed mean. Then the deviation of first class will come out to be 10 minus 30 is equal to minus 20. Similarly for second it will come out to minus 10, 0, 10, 20 and 30. From this we will calculate the last column F1 di, that is second multiplication of the second column and the multiplication of the fourth column. 6 multiplied by 20 minus 120 minus 110. 21 multiplied by 0, 0. 23 multiplied by 10, 230. Then 280 and 150. Now we will do the summation of this column, summation Fi di. We will sum up the negative terms differently and the plus terms differently. Sum of these two minus terms will come out to be 230 minus 230, and this is 0, 3, 8, 11, 5, 16, 660. The difference of 660 minus 230 comes out to be 430. Now we will do the summation of the second column also, that is summation Fi. It will come out to be 80. So from this we will calculate the mean x bar is equal to assumed mean plus summation Fi di divided by summation Fi. By inserting the values we will get assumed mean. We have taken 30 plus summation Fi di 430 divided by summation Fi 80, cancelling 0 with 0. Now we will have 30 multiplied by 8, 240 plus 43 divided by 8. We will get 283 divided by 8, which will come out to be 8 3 are 24, 4 8 5 are 40, 8 3 ja, it will comes out to be 35.37 mean. Now we will calculate the mode. For calculating the mode, we have to find the frequency of the highest frequency term, that is the maximum class frequency is 23, that is denoted by f1, and we have to take a lower limit of this class 35, that is denoted by L 35. Then the succeeding class of this frequency is 14, that is denoted by f2, and the preceding class frequency of this maximum frequency class is 21, that is denoted by f0, that is 21, f2 is 14. Now we have to calculate the mode. For this the formula is L lower limit of the model class plus the model class is that which has the highest frequency 23, f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 f0 f2 multiplied by class size. Class size is 5 to 15 is 10, that is class size. So by inserting the values, the lower limit of the class model class is 35 plus frequency of the model class is 23 minus frequency of the previous class mean 21 divided by 2 multiplied by frequency of the model class 23 minus frequency of the previous class is 21 minus frequency of the succeeding class is 14, f2, that is multiplied by the class size 10. So now on simplifying this, we will get 35, 2 divided by 23 to 46 minus 21 minus 14 minus 35 multiplied by 10. On further simplification, we will get 35 plus 2 by 11 multiplied by 10. On further 35 plus 20 by 11. On simplifying 20 by 11, we will get 35 plus 1.8, it will comes out to be 36.8, that is the mode. So the difference between the mode and mean is very less. Mode value comes out to be 36.8 and the mean value comes out to be 35.37. This is the comparison between the mode and the mean. This is the question.